Hi guys, it's Goldie again, and today I'm going to show you another one of my Lego Minecraft sets that I got a few weeks ago from my granddad, and it's called the Nether Bastion. Its product number is 21185, and I can see it's 8+, and it's a little more difficult than the Creeper Ambush set we unboxed in the last video. And the characters you get is a piglin brute, a strider, a netherite explorer, and a magma cube, which is really cool because it bounces and splits into pieces like the actual magma cube would in the game. And now let's unbox this Lego set, shall we? Alright guys, and here's the finished Lego Minecraft set, the Nether Bastion. Now let me show you some of the features and some of the characters you get. Let's start with the Netherite Explorer. As you can see, he's holding in his hand a little lead which can lead mobs. And he's also got a netherite helmet on his head for extra protection. Put him down here, and here he is on the base plate. Now let me show you the piglin. Here he is. He's holding in his hands a little arrow to shoot mobs with. And he's one of the hostile mobs, of course, when you attack him in the actual game. And he's actually about the same size as our netherite explorer. And here we have the piglin brute, which is the stronger version of the normal piglin. And he's holding in his hands a golden axe that he uses to attack mobs just like all hostile mobs, and he's pretty much the same to the piglin, just a bit different, just stronger. Next we have the strider, where its legs keep coming off, which is very annoying. We tried almost like 20 times and it kept coming off, but that's the strider, and its legs can also move. Yeah. Here's the chest, and inside it's got a bunch of goodies. And yeah, so this chest also has 2 studs on the top, so you can connect blocks or minifigures to it. And you can also connect it to the base plate or Lego bricks underneath. And here's the magma cube. He's actually pretty satisfying because he splits like a normal magma cube in the game. And yeah, he just looks super realistic, and yeah, really good magma cube Lego build to have and play with. And we even get an additional block, which is the TNT block that let me just bring it down. And here it is. it's even got the TNT writing on both sides, and it's used to launch this part of here. As you saw, guys, this TNT block is really cool because you can put it on this little flicker and flick this part off like an actual TNT explosion in the game. And I want to show you one more time this really cool magma cube. Bring it down a bit. I hope you enjoy my video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see me make more Lego Minecraft videos. Bye, I love you.